6 tips for removing earwax at home. Ears are one of the most sensitive part of our body, especially the inner ear. It is also the most delicate part of the ear canal and has to be protected from infections, microorganisms and bacteria because it is important for our healing abilities as well our motions and body balance. Thus cleaning the earwax is very important process in its protection and prevention. Earwax is important for ear because it is natural lubrication for the ear canal, but it is prevented with huge and excessive amount. Then it must be removed. If not, it can cause serious damage and the problems such as losses of hearing, irritation, itching, dizziness, fullness of ear, general discomfort, and so on. Next question is why we have excess of earwax. Wrong use of Q-tips and cleaning ear may be one reason. If you clean only the surface without going down your ear, you can allow the accumulating earwax in the inner ear. Using earplug, it is also possible cause of earwax. Frequent using on headphones. Symptom of excessive earwax: earache, reduced hearing, regular noise in your ear, dizziness, full filling of your ear. Solving problems with earwax. Use Q-tips daily cleaning, but do not try to push them further down because you may clog your ear canal and disable it from the proper function. Instead of cotton swab, Q-tips, here are some home remedies recipe for dealing with this issue. 1. Saline solution. Mix 1 tablespoon of salt in about half cup of water and dissolve it. Soak cotton ball and mixture and take some drop of it and place in your ear canal. Make this procedure with both ears. Use a toilet paper to soak the liquid as it drains out. 2. Paraffin oil. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of paraffin oil over a certain flame. Take 5 drops from the warm liquid and apply directly in your ear canal. Leave them for a couple of minutes and then rinse your ears through the clean water. Paraffin oil is one of the most effective remedies for earwax and it is widely used in pharmaceutical industry for this purpose. 3. Hydrogen peroxide. Take equal part of the water and hydrogen peroxide and mix them. When you get homogeneous mixture, put couple of drops in your ear. Then soak your heat in order to allow the mixture to get deep into the ear canal. Stay in a position for 3 to 4 minutes and repeat the same method with other ear. Enhance that you mix is equal part of the water and hydrogen peroxide. 4. Glycerin. Buy glycerin from pharmaceutical stores and apply 4 to 5 drops in the ear. Place your head horizontally for glycerin to go into the ear canal. Repeat the process 3 times a day. 5. Alcohol and vinegar mixture. Mix both ingredients in the bowl and soak cotton ball with that mixture. Put the cotton ball in your ear and clean it. Drain the excess out of it. If there is a huge amount of earwax, repeat the procedure, but be careful not to hurt your ear, nerve and tissue. 6. Olive oil. Add 2 drops of olive oil every night before bed. Make sure that put drops only one ear and sleep on the other side. Next night repeat the method with other ear. Try this 4 to 6 consecutive nights. We guarantee you will feel improvement from all these natural ingredients. Just follow the recipe and recommend drops. Be careful during applying the remedies and very first result will appear very soon. Thank you.